Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotirolla and today I am going to give you a review or the honest opinion on all over these products. So I got few products and I'm trying some product from really long time and I'm loving it and So first I am going to talk about certain products. If you have any of the certain review you're here for, there would be a small timeline. You can click on that brand which you want to look and you can jump into that instead of going all over the video. So this is ENN. It's a picker hydrating lip mask. I had used several lip balm and trust me, and there was some of the other stuff I was not happy with. When I apply a lip balm, after some time I want to have the moistured lip instead of applying it again. You know, you get addicted. I don't feel addicted to this lip balm. If I apply it today and I apply after 2 days, it will give me the same result instead of the one which I apply every 4 hours and still my lips are not that great. It still feel a little bit dehydrated or cracked lips. This is really good. So I just applied this before the video. It's amazing. So I have few eye products. I got some eyeshadow palettes a way back and there were some palettes I recently got and I was loving it and I really I thought I should share my opinion with you and share the product, which one works better and which one doesn't. But this one is super budget product which I am going to show you. So this is the one which I got from NICKA Beauty. This product along with you guys, so it's unopened. You can see I didn't even got to use it, so I thought I'll tell you how it is while using together. So this is a 9 palette eyeshadow and this has like so many colors. This is orange, yellow, brown, sky blue, green, I think so, that is sea green, and then there is the blue sparkle. These are the 3 sparkles they have. This one is like a copper tone thing and this one is like a rusty orange and the last one is purple. I really want to try all the colors, but to be very honest, this yellow and this brown combo is calling me today, so I think we'll work around that. But I want to use almost all the colors from the palette to give you the honest one. I want to try some shimmer so that I can speak about it. So I'll try to give you a affiliate link of the most of the product in the description, which you can like see what is I'm talking about. So first is the orange shade. It's not that visible, but over here I can see it. You can work, I think you can build. Yeah, you can build, but this is what it is. The second is yellow. I think I'm going to love this yellow because I was looking a good yellow color for lining sometime. This one is brown. So the brown is like, oh wow, this brown is really good. It's nice. There is a 4th color, that is the blue. Blue is really good. Green, oh my god, this is like really soft green which I picked up. Wow, this is something. I feel like I should go for a green eye. And this blue, wow, I love the pigments. You can see the color different even. This is like more of a yellow tone and this is like more of a silver tone, and this is the one more shade. Oh, I love this even. Now I'm loving all the shade from this product. Okay, let's try this one, rusty orange. Rusty orange, and then there is purple. Purple is good, but I really love the middle row. The middle row is giving me like fun thing. So this is the orange, yellow, brown, blue, and then I think so sparkle green, then sparkle blue, then rusty, I think so, orange sparkle, which is a little bit in the gold tone, silver tone, and this is yellow tone. This one is rusty orange, and the last is a purple. I'll wipe this and then we'll start working on eyes. I'll be mostly using Imagica makeup brushes. I got this from like Insta page. So the first shade I'll be using is this orange. So I'll just make a, what we say, the crease with this orange as I lift it up. Should I zoom you guys? Let me see how much I can. I'm taking the orange shade, applying it over the first crease line. So the first shade is done. Now I am going to pick the blue one, the blue shade. I'm taking a little pointy round brush for this. So one eye is done. You can see the blue peeking through from the eye when I open even. I'll take the green shade, which is like a little bit in that. I'll apply with my text finger. So now I'm going to take the same brush which I used earlier to clear all the harsh line from this. I love how the colors are actually coming on this, on my eye. So the next product is this for today. So this is the liner from Inside. I'm going to try some reasonable eyeliner, the sketch liners. So this is the one from Inside Makeup Essential. So they say this is water resist up to 12 hours. This liner is smudge resist. I love the one. Yeah, so let me open. This is the first time I'm actually using. We'll try here. This is nice. We'll do some lines, but it's quite thick. It's not like, I can make tiny wings even. Let's apply, let's see how it works. The point of this is not that precise, which I like from the high-end brands. I was trying to make a small wing, but here we are doing a thick one. What do you think? So this was the honest opinion. I can use this, 155 rupees. This product is really good, but to apply every single day and this thick lines are not okay, but still this is in budget. So I give a thumbs up. But do it move? It doesn't move much. It's very less spread out. So yeah, this is a good one. Inside Makeup Cosmetic product. So let's try the next product. I just applied the lashes. Now I'm going to apply some other colors from the palette under my eyelid, but I have to be very careful as if there's a lot of fallout earlier which we saw. So while applying I have to be a little bit careful. I want to apply this brown shade and then mix with this purple, these two shades for my under eye. So this is done. Now I am going to use the same brush for this purple shade. So this is done. I really love my lower lid, even it's giving me such a really beautiful vibe. And now I'm going to use the blush. The blush is from Swiss Beauty and the shade name is Scroll Dream, and this is how it looks. I am like taking a little bit in my hand. I'm going to show you here how the beautiful shade is this one. I'm going to take a little bit on my brush, and as if this is too strong, I'm going to tap like on my hand and then apply on my cheeks. You can see how beautiful is this. I really like it. So today I am going to share with you the lip gloss from HISUGARPOP. I love the shade. If you know, I have used few lip gloss in my life, and this was the one of the lip gloss I liked it. But the reason I disliked this product was the scent. It is so strong. I didn't like the scent. What is wrong with you guys? Why do you put so much of the pigment in the lip gloss? I thought the first time I apply it will go, but the scent didn't get settled only. I feel like I'm applying a perfume on my lip. That was why feeling were. Oh, the shade is beautiful. So this lip gloss is amazing, guys. I loved it. Just the scent was the problem. The rest of the thing is really nice. If you like this makeup and you like my review, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you want to see next time. Thank you for watching. Hope you really liked it.